Hey guys, it's Candy. Welcome to my channel. So for today's look, we're going to be doing somewhat of a show and tell. I have two different types of hair on my rack. We have the French curly hair and we have a regular braiding hair. This is how the progress is going so far. Yes, with the curls at the end. Both hair is from Amazon. I will definitely show you guys the link for those in the description bar below. But yeah, by the magic of editing, we are all done. As I said before, it's a show and tell, so I'm just showing you guys how the style turned out using these two hair types. And we are just doing regular box braids, yes. So it's not knotless braids or anything, but because the braids were on the smaller side, they did turn out looking somewhat like they are knotless. So you guys can see the nice color combination with the more muted burgundy at the top or the muted red at the top, and then it transitions into this vibrant, did I say vibrant? Very vibrant, nice French curled at the end. So we're going to show you guys the 360 so that you can see how the style is in the front also. So this is how it is. Actually, the hair is 24 inches for the braiding hair, and for the curly hair, it is 16 inches long. Well, by you adding the curly hair to the end, it is super long. She's pretty tall, and the hair was literally past her waist. So this is how it is. So be careful if you are shorter, you might want to go with a shorter length here. They do have various lengths, so you can definitely explore the options. But this hairstyle is super duper neat, super duper nice. It is absolutely gorgeous, perfect for vacation. And the hair comes with 8 packages in each pack. Yeah, so you will have more than enough hair. You will have enough to do this style literally twice. So I'm just adding a little bit of mousse as I usually do, just to smooth away any flyaways. Literally, this hair had no flyaways, but it just, gives the hair a nice healthy shine and adds a little bit of softness. And I did do a full video of this exact look before, several months ago. So what I will do is I will also link that video down below so you guys can see the full tutorial for this look if you are interested to do so. But thank you guys for watching today's video. This is literally all I wanted to show you. And if you have any comments, be free to leave them down below. Thank you again, and be sure to hit the subscribe button if you're not yet a part of the Natural Hair Dynamics team, and we will catch up on my next one. Be blessed, stay safe, and we will talk on my next one. Bye.